Good morning, YouTubers. Welcome to our home and welcome to our hub. This is Chef Nurse on Duty, Uzi, and today I am going to make chicken parmigiana, or in short, chicken cutlets. So for my ingredients, of course, I have about 4 pieces of breast in here, four pieces of breast in here. So I marinated already, and each breast I cut about 3 pieces. I want it like not too thick, not too thin. So I put in salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and I have here, and a little bit of lemon. I have here breadcrumbs, and I put in some Parmesan on my breadcrumbs, and flour, and 4 pieces of eggs. Sorry. Okay, so after I beat the eggs, I am going to coat this chicken. So first, I'm going to coat it in the eggs. Flour. Back to the egg. And to the breadcrumbs. And voila, nice piece. Okay, one more time. Egg first. And on the flour. Back to the eggs. And on my Parmesan breadcrumbs. Or you can buy one from the Costco for the breadcrumbs. I usually use that, and it makes a nice Parmesan, chicken Parmesan. There you go. So see you. All right, welcome back. So in every parchment paper, I put 2 pieces in each, and it's ready to be, frozen. Or I can put this in the freezer anytime, and I can just grab it whenever I want it. There you go. So please subscribe my YouTube channel, Chef Nurse on Duty. My name is Uzi. And for further information regarding the recipes, please check the description below. All right? Chef Nurse on Duty. Till next time. My name is Uzi. Bye-bye.